Hey, I'm Big Lou Barbecue, and other things I want to do. And what I'm going to do today is we're going to do a Little Caesars pizza kit. Actually, my daughter and my niece and my nephew. Now, my little niece, she's 11 years old, and she wants to be a cook. She watches a lot of your cooking YouTube channels. She watches all the cooking shows on TV. She is my biggest fan. She watches my shows. I don't have that many females watching my shows under the age of 17, according to demographics, but I know she's one. She watches all of my shows. And her mother, my sister-in-law, and her husband, her dad, the little girl's dad, are the ones that talked me into getting a YouTube channel way back in November of 2016. I didn't want a YouTube channel. They just said I needed to have one. And so the little girl, Eva, my niece, is staying with us this week during the summer. And she was a big help on my paella video. She was my sous chef. She did great with that. And about a year and a half ago or so, I bought what's called a KettlePizza kit from Walmart. It was $40. They sell a lot more for that online. I'll have an online link to my Amazon thing if you want it, but it's kind of expensive there. I don't blame you if you don't buy it. All right, but I said in my initial video it'd be fun for have kids over. So we've got this Little Caesars fundraiser pizza kit. It was being sold by one of the organizations at the school where I teach, and the cheerleaders actually. And it's got pizza crust and sauce and cheese packets and pepperoni packets, and that's about it. Crust, pepperoni, and cheese and sauce. And we're gonna add some other things to it. We've got some olives, we've got some anchovies, we've got some mushrooms, we got things that little kids don't normally like. Yet we're gonna let my niece and my nephew, her little brother, and my daughter Hannah, you've met Hannah before, make pizzas. My son Eli doesn't want to participate tonight. So we're gonna let them make pizzas, make their own pizzas, shove it into the pizza kit, and pull it out. Big Lou Barbecue. All right, I've got my daughter Hannah with the big smile, and I've got my niece and my nephew Bo. Bo is not that adventurous of an eater. We were all surprised when he ate paella the other day, and he says he only wants a cheese pizza. Eva watches a lot of cooking shows. She probably watches your cooking show. Say hi, Eva.
Hello.
All right. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
Good. All right. Now, Eva, what do you think you want to put on your pizza?
Everything.
Everything. Even the anchovies?
Yeah.
Even the she wants to try the anchovies. And Bo, what are you going to put on your pizza?
Only cheese.
Only cheese.
Boring.
No pepperoni or anything, huh?
No.
Just cheese. Hannah, what you putting on yours?
Everything available, and I'll probably dig more stuff out the pantry, so.
All right, but Bo, just cheese, right? All right, let's go. There's some scissors. Let's start making pizzas, guys.
All right. Pizza. Kitchen cheers.
Let Bo open his first. Because we're going to put his on first since it's just cheese pizza.
You should be able
to. All right. And we've got some spatulas for y'all to smear the stuff around.
It's okay. Yeah. Pizza sauce, pizza sauce, pizza sauce. Pizza sauce, pizza sauce.
Just squeeze it on and smear it around. Now remember, you don't want to get it near more than a quarter from the edge, okay? Eva, baby, you getting that open? Eva, no?
It does not make me.
Hannah, help her, but
Come here.
open that for her.
It's gonna cause a mess. Oof. Yeah.
Bo's got it squeezed out. Use one of those rubber spatulas right there to smear it, okay, Bo?
Yeah.
Come on, Bo, you can get it.
You don't even want pepperoni on yours, huh?
But I thought you
All
said.
right, he doesn't speak much either, but Eva, on the other hand, she loves to talk. Y'all watch out for this girl. She's going to have her own YouTube cooking channel. She's going to put us all to shame, I promise. Right, Eva?
Maybe.
Maybe. Eva, how old are you?
I'm 11.
11.
12 in September.
12 in September. Bo, how old are you?
9.
9. Hannah
15 years old.
will be driving in October.
I'm halfway to 30.
Hey, we've got the pizza sauce smeared on. Hannah's still working on hers.
Slacking.
Bo's going to put his only topping, which is cheese.
It's just fine.
Bo says he's not eating crazy stuff. Right? Okay. Bo doesn't do pizza challenges and stuff.
Boring.
That won't open for you, will it?
No, it doesn't make me. None of
Come on,
this
Eva, what you putting on? Y'all putting your cheese on now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right, go, Bo. That's your only topping. You better enjoy
It's
it.
still clumped in places.
Ow!
This is the bad part about frozen pizza.
Eva's sprinkling hers all pretty.
Bo has Mount Everest. I'm trying to spread it out, but I'm not a very artistic person. Like, I have good ideas, and then I can never make them come to fruition with my hands.
You got your sifting, don't you, Eva?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
All right, we'll be back with the next step. Bo dumped all the cheese in the center and has then been raking it over to the side. Is that the way you wanted to do it, Bo? All right. Eva, you're still sprinkling cheese on?
Yeah.
All right, Bo, is yours done? That's all you want on yours, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, all right, we have had a epiphany moment. I think Bo's giving in to peer pressure and he's going to try pepperoni. Have you ever eaten pepperoni before?
Always.
Then well, you said you only wanted a cheese pizza, buddy. I thought you had never tried it before.
He said he liked pepperoni, but he wasn't going to do it. But now he decided.
Go, put your pepperoni on there. Decorate your pizza wherever you want to make it like a smiley face. Make it a smiley face. You want to make it like, you know, with eyes and a nose. You want to put it in stripes.
I'm placing mine perfectly.
You're placing yours what?
Perfectly.
Perfectly. Yes, Eva's going to do hers perfectly. Hannah, how are you doing yours? Smiley face?
Haven't decided yet.
You haven't
I'm
decided yet.
starting with a smiley face, and
Oh, Bo's got a little smiley face with his. Look at that. All right. Decorate it however you want to do it, bud. All right, we'll be back when we put the other stuff on, and I think Bo's pizza will be done. About our pizzas, Bo. What do you have? How do you have your pepperoni done?
I have a smiley face with some hair.
A smiley face with hair. We're looking at it upside down from this angle. Eva, what do you have?
Perfectness?
Perfectness. Yours is perfectness. Hannah, what do you have on yours?
It says hi and not the Latin alphabet.
Hi and not the Latin. Is it Arabash? Star Wars? Star Wars alphabet right there. It says hi. Am I looking at it upside down?
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. Okay, hi in Star Wars language. What's it called?
Arabish.
Arabish.
Look it up.
Arabish, look it up. Okay, now what are we going to put on the pizzas now? Bo, is yours done? Bo, is yours done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm breaking
Where
it.
you putting everything on it? What's that, Eva?
Black olives.
Black olives. Hannah, what you got on yours?
I'm breaking in the banana peppers.
Banana peppers.
Don't know where to put any of it.
All right. What else do we have? Mushrooms and anchovies. Okay, we'll let the kids decorate their pizzas. We'll show you what they look like and let them tell us about them. All right. Bo, we're going to put this in here. We're going to put this right in. Don't stay in the camera. Smile at the camera. Bo, we're going to put this on that stone right there like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to get burned, all right? But if you think you'd be able to get it off of there when it's cooked? The pizza you made? 7 minutes. Bo's is in the grill. And Eva, what do we have on your pizza?
Some banana peppers, mushrooms, and black olives.
Do that again. Say black olives.
Black olives.
Black olives. You don't have black olives on yours. Hannah, what's on your pizza, darling? Black olives.
And everything ran a room. We tried to stuff under cheese. We were singing the Pizza Angel song. I got mushrooms, banana peppers, an anchovy exclamation point.
What's the Pizza Angel song?
Pizza Angel, please come to me.
You were saying
Tomato sauce. Yeah, I was. Cheese so gooey. Awesome song. Look it up. Real song.
All right. All right, so what do we got? We got anchovies, black olives, got everything on yours too, right? And Bo's got a smiley face pepperoni, all right? Eva, is this the first time you've ever had anchovies?
Yeah.
All right, Bo's pizza is ready. So Bo, I'm gonna get it out for you because it is screaming hot.
The sauce near the edge stuck to the stone.
Oh no.
Wow, the pizza caught on fire.
That's smarts.
I think mine's burned.
Maybe burned a little bit. Eva's gonna put hers in and she said she's gonna be brave. Okay, now do not touch the grill, okay?
It's on the marble thingamajig. The only thing I don't know how to do is get it off.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Kind of slide it easy. You're doing great.
Is it off the center?
Oh, you did fantastic. Look at that, y'all.
Good job.
Eva, that was fantastic, girl.
Yeah.
Fantastic. My thumb was in the way of the thing. Good job. 7 minutes,
Screaming
okay?
hot. Screaming hot.
Look at that right there. 550, 600 degrees, easy. Kettle Pizza's doing great. Love this contraption for pizza. I'm just not a big pizza person, but these kids are. So let's walk over here and get your pizza off of here, darling. All right. See if we can get it off without it sliding to the back.
There's like an opening right there. Yeah, perfect. Right there.
You gotta lift and pull.
We're losing her.
How do they
You are?
do this in pizza restaurants so
I
masterfully?
don't know. We're gonna do it this way.
Ah.
We
Watch
need
your
some
knuckle.
tongs, man.
Want to go find some?
Watch your knuckle.
Yeah, my knuckle's about to get burned. Woo, that's hot, man.
That's hot.
All right. Can we see it? Hannah, put that camera on her pizza right there.
Yay!
That's Eva's pizza. All right, let's bring it
Very
in.
pretty.
Very pretty. We're going to put Hannah's pizza on. Okay, Hannah's going to let Eva put her pizza in for her.
Come on, Eva.
Oh, she's doing great with that, y'all. Got the back of her
master.
head right here. Eva, you did wonderful. Look at that.
Beautiful, thank you.
You're going to be a pizza chef, girl.
I don't drop
Smile.
things.
All right, time to pull Hannah's pizza off.
It's like crooked. Boop. Come on, Daddy.
Oh, stop.
Oh, I got it off in one time.
Woo!
Look at that.
Please don't drop my pizza.
There's your pizza, baby. All right, let's go inside. We'll cut these up. Get a taste test. Come on. To cut his own pizza. Have you ever made your own pizza before?
No, sir.
Have you ever cut your own pizza before?
No, sir.
All right, get that roller and go. Cut it. Roll it deep. Is it cutting?
Yes, sir.
Bo, did you cut all that pizza yourself?
No, sir.
No. Did you have a little help? Look how beautiful that is, though. Go. Good job.
Yeah.
Eva's cutting hers. Bo is a little off camera, but he's already eaten his slice. What's it taste like, Bo?
It tastes good.
It tastes good. Fire grilled pizza in a pizza oven. Eva, you're doing a fantastic job, young lady.
You're just good.
Y'all watch out for this young lady. She is going to be a YouTube cook, okay? Counter's gotten messy a little bit after making some pizzas on it, but we're okay. All right, be right back when Hannah's cutting hers and Eva's Hannah's gonna cut her pizza. I gotta tell y'all, my daughter's really good at helping me with videography, but she's learning to cook. She's getting it though.
Ooh, that was actually fairly straight.
Good job.
Come here. Like I said, I can imagine big and beautiful and amazing things.
Can never make their, you said big, beautiful, amazing things and what?
I can never make them come true. I just don't have the physical ability. Like my hand never does what my brain wants it to. Oh well.
Me too. Eva is trying her first anchovy pizza. What do you think of it?
She did it. Whoa.
Is that good, girl? Have you tried the anchovy part yet? Let's see.
I sneaked the some sharp cheddar cheese and put it on here.
She's got sharp cheddar cheese on hers too, as well as a lot of anchovies.
About
Is it
6.
hot? Yeah, yours was the last one, so yours has got to still be really hot.
Oh, it's good though. They
Is
give
it?
you so much cheese in that packet.
All right, Bo, you enjoying your own pizza? You ever made? Eva, have you been an anchovy yet?
Nope, but there's one right there.
You gonna pull it off and eat it? Is that the anchovy right there? That's a big bite for a little young lady.
Is it okay? You like it?
You like the anchovy part? This is a brave young eater right here. A lot of kids won't like anchovies, but she's gonna go back to school. I ate anchovies and go, ooh, and she's gonna say, you don't know what you miss. All right, well, I'm in Bo's way. Hey, that's Big Lou Barbecue. Thank you for watching. I didn't do the taste test. The kids had fun making the pizza on the KettlePizza contraption. It's a lot of fun. And I got a good deal on it when I got mine. It was on discount at Walmart, but it's available at Amazon. All right, say goodbye, Big Lou Barbecue.